Hi everybody, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. We must protect the nature, campus and you. We are a family in the world for protecting the nature around the world and where we are, everywhere where we live, where we work, and so on. Our life needs that nature for living. We are living without the nature. We need this nature for living, and around the world this nature is missing for us. The animals is missing for us. The agrotoxical system around the world is killing the animals and the many biosphere protecting our life. We must protect the nature for our life. Thank you.